Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of English grammar, and in our last video we have discussed about the worksheet of chapter 10, that is part 1, and in this video we are going to solve the worksheet of chapter number 10, that is part 2. So student, come on the exercises. That is exercise B. Fill in the blanks using is, am, are and the ing form of the action words from the box. One has been done for you. So student, in these exercises you have to fill all the blank space from this hint box. This is the hint box and you have to fill all the blank space from this hint box. Now look at first number. I dash for the test. So student, which is the suitable word that you have to feed at this blank space? Studying. So first of all you have to select study from this inbox and write. First of all you have to write am, because with I you have to use am and you have to add ing in study. So the sentence will become I am studying for the test. Now look at second. Ouch, you are dash on my foot. So student, ouch, you dash on my feet. So which is the suitable word that you have to fill at this blank space? Stand. So first of all you have to write the auxiliary verb, and with you what will you have to fill? You. With you have to fill, you have to use are. So first of all you have to write are, and after that in stand you have to add ing and the sentence will become ouch, you are standing on my feet. Now look at third number. The man dash a bicycle. So student, which is the suitable word that you have to fill at this blank space? Shelling. And with man, what you have to use with man? The man is the only one person, and when we're talking about only one person, that you have to use is, and in sale you have to add ing. So the sentence will become the man is selling a bicycle. Now look at fourth number. Fourth number, Sandra dash the piano. So student, which is the suitable word that you have to fill at this blank space? Play. And with Sandra, what will you use? With Sandra, Sandra is the name of only one person, so we use is with them. And in play you have to add ing, so the sentence will become Sandra is playing the piano. Now look at fifth number. It is getting late, I dash now. So student, what is the suitable word that you have to fill at this blank space in 5 number? Sleep. So student, first of all you have to select sleep from this inbox and write sleep at 5th number, and with I you always use am. So the sentence will become it is getting late and I am sleeping now. So now come on. 6th number, Aarti dash her new dress. So student, what is the suitable word that you have to fill at this blank space? Wearing. So you have to select wearing from this inbox and write wearing at this blank space, at this blank space. And with Aarti, what you have to use with Aarti? Aarti is the name of only one person, so you have to use is with them. And in wearing you have to add ing, so the sentence will become Aarti is wearing her new dress. Now come on 7 number, I dash English. So student, first of all you have to select word from this inbox. Learn. So student, you have to write am with I, and in learn you have to add ing, so the sentence will become I am learning English. Now look at last, that is 8 number. We dash vegetable. So student, with we what you have to use with we. You have to use are with we, and you have to select by from this inbox, and you have to add in by ing. So the sentence will become we are buying vegetable. Now look at next exercise, that is exercise C. Change this sentence using am, is, am, are and ing. Now look at first, bees buzz. So the sentence bees represent the plural, so with plural we use are, and the sentence will become bees are buzzing. Now look at next, that is second, I light lamp. So student, we always use I with am, and in action word you have to use ing, you have to add ing, so the sentence will become I am lighting lamps. Now look at third, the clock ticks. So student, with clock, what will you use with clock? We use is with clock, and in action word you have to add ing, so the sentence will become the clock is ticking. Now look at fourth number, the rivers flow. So student, what you have to use with river? You have to use is with river, and in action word you have to add ing, so the sentence will become the river is flowing. Now look at fifth number, Salim takes a shower. So student, here Salim is the name of only one person, and when we are talking about only one person, then we use is with them, and in action word you have to use ing, so the sentence will become Salim is taking a shower. Now look at sixth number, I read books in school. So student, here with I we always use am, and in action word you have to use ing, so the sentence will become I am reading books in school. Now look at 7, mother bakes a cake. So student, here mother represent the only one person, so we use is with them, and in action word you have to use ing, so the sentence will become mother is baking a cake. Now look at 8 number, Hari and Shiv sings a song. So student, here they're talking about two person, that is Hari and Shiv. Then when we are talking about more than one person, then we use are with them, and in action word you have to use ing, so the sentence will become Hari and Shiv are singing song. Now look at 9 number, they go to a party. Now look at the answer, with they we use are, and in action word you have to use ing, so the sentence will become they are going to a party. Now look at next, and that is last one, Chris write a letter to his friend. So student, here Chris is the name of only one person, and we always use is with singular, and in action word you have to use ing, so the sentence will become Krish is writing a letter to his friend. So student, I hope you all understand about this exercise, and you have to done this exercise in your CW copy. That's all, and thank you.